Alright, so for this project I decided to do an app for storing ideas specific to media. This includes console, mobile apps, web apps, and website ideas. The add item page is pretty straightforward. You put some information about you, then information about the idea. Users will be able to send this information to their email if they want, or keep it locally. That'll be added next week. I didn't run into too many problems. The one problem that I did actually take more time than I wanted to was the clear and show data links. I had thought that they were like made a special way, and then I found out that they were just anchor tags with hashtags for the input. So that was interesting. I definitely learned a lot this week. I had watched a lot of videos on Lynda before I started, so that gave me a little bit of a head start, but I hadn't actually practiced the actual coding until now, so it was nice to be able to finally use what I'd learned. To me, this week builds on PMA2 as it's all HTML, and I know next week we'll use what we learned in both PMA2 and SDI using CSS and JavaScript, which should be a lot of fun. I definitely think this class is really one of the foundational classes of just creating content and seeing how it comes together one piece at a time. It's definitely going to play a part in what we learn later on, being one of those foundational classes, so I'm really glad that we're learning it now. So far, I really like HTML. The contents of tags can be a little bit tedious at times, but overall it's a very, very easy language to learn. I chose my theme because I actually had another idea, and I had just pulled up Notepad and jotted it down in there, but I thought, why don't I just make this an app that I can store all my ideas in instead of having 50 text files on my desktop. So I think, well, I'm definitely going to use it myself now, once it gets done, but I might publish it. I'll have to see. But this week has been a lot of fun, and I will see you guys next week. Also, before I go, I figured I should do a demo. This is the iPhone version. You can see all the content, and it actually scales really nicely with those tags in it. And then this is the web version.